What's up guys, Jack here. If you're thinking about starting your own clothing brand, or even if you're already running one, you will benefit from this video, so keep watching. In this video, we're going to cover the 5 biggest mistakes clothing brands make, and trust me, avoiding these mistakes can save you a lot of time, money, and headaches. Before we get into the video, here's some proof that I actually do know what I'm talking about. I currently own a clothing brand called EXEPT Studios. We have over 100,000 followers across social media and have profited over 6 figures this year alone. Now that you know that I actually know what I'm talking about, let's go ahead and get into the mistakes. Mistake number 1, ordering in bulk without getting samples first. I get it, you're excited, you want to get your product out as quickly as possible, but ordering a large quantity without seeing and feeling a sample can ruin an entire drop. Imagine receiving a whole shipment to only find out that the quality isn't up to your standards, or even worse, that it's not even what you envisioned at all. Always order a sample, inspect it thoroughly, and make necessary adjustments before committing to a bulk order. This step can save you a lot of money and frustration down the line. Mistake number 2, rushing the process. Setting up a Shopify store, preparing packaging, and creating a plan for your promotions should all come before you finalize your product. Here's a better plan. First, finalize your designs and samples and order the bulk. Next, set up your store and packaging. Finally, give yourself enough time to promote your brand before you start taking orders. A well-paced schedule ensures you're not scrambling at the last minute and helps maintain a professional image. Mistake number 3, not being unique with your designs and marketing. In a saturated market, standing out is crucial. Copying other brands or following every trend can make your brand blend into the background. Instead, focus on your own personal vision that resonates with your target audience. Originality will help you build a loyal customer base and establish a strong brand identity. Speaking of identity, make sure y'all stick around for number 5 because in my opinion, it is the biggest mistake most clothing brand owners make, and it can save you a lot of time in the long run if you prevent it. Mistake number 4, not familiarizing yourself with the fulfillment process. Knowing how to pack and ship an order might seem easy, but it's actually a critical aspect of your business. Before you start receiving orders, learn the ins and outs of packing your products, choosing the right shipping methods, and handling returns. This knowledge ensures that you can deliver a smooth and professional experience to your customers, which is key to gaining repeat business. And now for the biggest mistake, not choosing a consistent brand identity. Changing your brand's vibe or identity with every new drop or collection can confuse your customers and weaken your brand image. Instead, define your brand's identity early on and stick to it. Consistency helps build recognition and trust with your audience, making it easier for customers to connect with and remain loyal to your brand. If you're curious on how to find your brand's identity, I actually made another video walking you through the exact process of finding your brand's identity. I'm gonna go ahead and link it in the top right of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any other questions about the creation of a clothing brand, comment them down below.